Now we will discuss the first question. In a bacterial cell, a protein is synthesized at random location in the cytoplasm. The protein has to reach one pole of the cell for its appropriate function. The protein reaches the pole by and the options are chemical attraction, random movement, enzymatic action, and attraction between opposite charges. Here, in this question, the right answer is option 2. That is random movement. Now we will discuss question number 2. A precious stone breaks into 4 pieces having weights in the proportion 1:2:3:4. The value of such a stone is proportional to the square of its weight. What is the percent loss in the value incurred due to breaking? And the options are 0, 30, 70 and 90. Here in these questions, the right option is 3. That is the 70. Now we will discuss the question number 3. Two runners starting together run on a circular path taking 6 and 8 minutes respectively. To complete one round, how many minutes later do they meet again for the first time on the start line, assuming constant speeds? And the options are 8, 24, 32 and 60. In this question, the right option is 2. That is 24. Now we will discuss question 4. The distribution of grades secured by students in a class is given in the table below. Grade and fraction of the population. Now, grade A with 0.1, grade B with 0.4, grade C with 0.3 and grade D with 0.2. Now the question is, what is the least possible population of the class? 2, 4, 8 and 10. For these questions, the right option is 4. Now we will discuss the question 5. The 9 numbers x1, x2, x3 to x9 are in ascending order. Their average m is strictly greater than all the first 8 numbers. Which of the following is true? Those are the options for the question. For this question, the right answer is option 3. Now we will discuss the question number 6. Which among the following diagrams represents woman, mother, human beings? Actually, this is the question from Venn diagram. So the right option is, the correct answer is The option 1. Now we will discuss the question number 7. A boy and a girl make the following statements, of which at most one is correct. The first statement, the one in a white shirt says, I am a girl, and the second statement, the one in a blue shirt says, I am a boy. The question is, which of the following is the correct inference? Here, in this question, the correct answer is option 3. Now we will discuss the question number 8. How many quadrilaterals does the following figure have? And the options are 17, 18, 19 and 20. In this question, the right answer is option number 3, that is 19. Now we will discuss the question number 9. 12 balls, 3 each of the colors red, green, blue and yellow are put in a box and mixed. If 3 balls are picked at random without replacement, the probability that all 3 balls are of the same color. For these questions, the options are 1 by 4, 1 by 12, 1 by 36 and 1 by 55. In this question, the correct answer is option 4. Now we will discuss the question number 10. Some aliens observe that roosters call before sunrise every day, having no other information about roosters and sunrises. Which of the following inference would not be valid? Now in these questions, the options are roosters call and sunrise may be independent cyclic events with the same periodicity. Both may be triggered by a common cause. Rooster call may be causing the sunrise. Sunrise cannot be the cause of rooster call, as the rooster call precedes sunrise. So in these questions, the right option is the option 4. Now we will discuss the question number 11. 21 liters of water in a tank is to be divided into 3 equal parts using only 5, 8 and 12 liter capacity cans. The minimum number of transfers needed to achieve this is, and the options are 3, 4, 5 and 7. In these questions, the right answer is 7. That is the option 4. Now we will discuss the question number 12. Of 4 agents alpha, beta, gamma and delta, 3 have to be sent together on a mission. If alpha and beta cannot go together, beta and gamma cannot go together, and gamma and delta cannot go together. Which of the following holds? Any 3 agents can be sent. alpha, delta and any one out of beta and gamma can be sent. Beta, gamma and any one out of alpha and delta can be sent, or the missions is impossible. In this question, the right option is the options number 4. The mission is impossible. An open rectangular box is made by excluding the 4 identical corners of a piece of paper as shown in the diagram and holding it along the dotted lines. And the options are 8,000, 1,000, 4,000, 6,000. For the capacity of the box, in this question, the right option is option 3. Now we will discuss the question number 14. Which of the following is the largest? 2 to the power 50, 3 to the power 40, 4 to the power 30 or 5 to the power 20? For this question, the options are 2 to the power 50, 3 to the power 40, 4 to the power 30, 5 to the power 20. And the right answer is option 2. Now we will discuss the question number 15. A monkey climbs a tree to eat fruits. The amount of energy gained from eating fruits and the energy spent in climbing on the different branches have a relationship showing in the figure. You can observe the figure. Now the question is the ratio of energy gained to energy spent will be the maximum, and the options are at a point where the slope of the curve is the maximum, at a point where the slope is the curve is unity, at a point on the curve where the tangent passes through the origin, at the highest point on the curve. In this question, the right option is option 3. Now we will discuss the question number 16. The length of a cylinder is measured 10 times, yielding 10 distinct values. For this set of values, consider the following statements. Statement A, 5 of these values will lie above the mean and 5 below it. Statement B, 5 of this value will lie above the median and 5 below it. Statement C, at least one value will lie above the mean. And the last statement, at least one value will lie at the median. The question is which is the statement are necessarily correct, and the options are B and C, A and C, B and D, and A, C and D. In this question, the correct answer is B and C. That is the option 1. Now we will discuss the question number 17. This is a circle with center O and angle PAO equal to 40, angle PBQ equal to 30 and angle AOB equal to 220 degree. Now the question is what will be the angle A, Q, B. And the options are 70, 80, 60 and 110. For these questions, the correct answer is option 1, that is 70 degree. Now we will discuss the question number 18. A canal system is shown in the figure. You may observe this figure. Okay, now water flows from A to B through two canals. Gates G1 and G2 are operated independently to regulate the flow. Probability of G1 to be open is 10% while that of G2 is 20%. The probability that water will flow from A to B is, and the options are 10%, 20%, 28% and the 30%. In these questions, the right option is option 3, that is 28%. Now we will discuss the question number 19. A long ream of paper of thickness T is rolled tightly. As the roll becomes larger, the length of the paper wrapped in one turn exceeds the length of the previous turn by, then the options are T, 2T, pi T, 2 pi T. In these questions, the right option is option 4, that is 2 pi T. Now we will discuss the question number 20. Point A on a wheel of radius R touches the horizontal plane at point P. It rolls without slipping till point A is at the highest position in the first turn. What is the final distance AP? And the options are 2R, R root over 1 plus pi square, R root over 4 plus pi square, 2R root over 1 plus pi square. In these questions, the right option is option 3. Now we will discuss 21st question. Which one of the statements on protein conformation detailed below is incorrect? Now there are 4 options. In between them, in this question, the right answer is, for this question, option 4. Now we will discuss the question number 22. Choose the incorrect statement from the following statements made for an enzymatic catalyzed reaction. The kinetic properties of allosteric enzyme do not diverge from mildly mentioned behavior. In feedback inhibition, the product of a pathway inhibits an enzyme of the pathway. An antibody that binds tightly to the analog of the transition state intermediate of the reaction S to P would promote formation of P when the analog is added to the reaction. An enzyme with KAT equal to 1.4 into 10 to the power 4 per second and Km equal to 9 into 10 to the power 5 m has activity close to the diffusion control limit. In these questions, the right option is option 1. This is the right option. Now we will discuss the question number 23. On sequence analysis of a double-stranded DNA, the result showed the content of cytosine C was 20%. What is the amount of A and T put together? And the options are 20%, 30%, 50% and 60%. In these questions, the right option is option 4. Now we will discuss the question number 24. The first step in glycogen breakdown releases glucose unit as, and the options are glucose 6-phosphate, glucose 1-phosphate, glucose and glucose 6-phosphate. In these questions, the right option is option number 2. Now we will discuss the question number 25. The sodium potassium ATPase pump is found on the plasma membrane of most animal cells. A mutation in the intrinsic phosphorylation site of the pump is most likely to affect, and the options are the outward movement of sodium only, inward movement of potassium only, both the inward and outward movement of potassium and sodium only has no effect on pump activity but affects its stability. In these questions, the right option is option number 3. Now we will discuss the question number 26. The site of the division 10 during cytokinesis of animal cell is determined, and the options are by position of nucleus, by the central spindle, by the pre-prophase band, or randomly. In these questions, the right option is option 2. Now we will discuss question number 27. To prepare individual tissue cells from a primary culture, the cell-cell and cell matrix interaction must be broken. To achieve this, one would not use, the options are EDTA, trypsin, collagenase, separase, and the right option is for this question is option number 4. Now we will discuss the question number 28. Which one of the following statements is not true about nucleosomal organization of core particles? And the options are: the typical structure of DNA is altered in the middle of the core particle. In core particles, DNA is organized as a flat superhelix with 1.65 turns around the histone octamer. When forming 30 nm fiber, generally 6 nucleosomes per turn organized into the 2 start helix. The N-terminal histone phase in the core particles are strictly ordered and exit from the nucleosome between turn of the DNA. In these questions, the right option is option number 4. Now we will discuss Question number 29. During replication, RNase remove all of the RNA primer except the ribonucleotide directly linked to the DNA end. This is because, and the options are, it can degrade RNA and DNA from their fibrous end. It can only clip bond between two ribonucleotides. It can degrade RNA and DNA from their 3' end. Activity of RNase is inhibited by the presence of duplex containing both strands as DNA. In these questions, the correct option is option 2. Now we will discuss the question number 30. In a human cell line, a large fraction of double-stranded DNA breaks are repaired by non-homologous end joining, that's NHEJ. An inhibitor of FLAG endonuclease will affect, and the options are recruitment of DNA-dependent kinase, gap trimming, DNA unwinding, and pair of microhomology regions. In these questions, the right option is option number 2.